Need your Citibank routing and account number? In the next minute, I will show exactly where to find them in the mobile app. First, open the Citibank app and sign in using your username and password or biometrics. From the home screen, go to the Accounts tab and select the account you want to view. Look for an option labeled Show Account Details or a menu icon beneath the account summary and tap it. Your routing number appears first and your account number appears after. Scroll down if either number is partially hidden. Tap the copy icon to copy the account number or use the App Share option to send it securely. Important privacy note: do not share your full account number or login details on public channels. If you must send numbers, confirm the recipient and use secure methods such as encrypted messaging or the bank's secure share feature. If you do not see your routing or account number, update the app, sign out and back in, or contact Citibank support from the app. This video includes on-screen captions and highlights showing each tap to help you follow along. Quick recap: open the app, select your account, tap Show Account Details, then copy or share securely. Need more help? Visit citibank.com or open help in the app. Stay safe and protect your information.